All right, y'all, listen, I'm out here out in my outside garden area, and I planted these things. I guess it's been about a couple weeks. It is windy out here, so if y'all hear out there, you can see how the bags are going. It is windy. These are my onions, and I think it's falling over, Lord. Hold on, y'all. Uh-oh. Hope ain't nothing right there. All right. That's my onion mix. That's just red and white onions. Yep, red, white, and yellow onions in this bag. And they're finally starting to sprout. I was waiting forever for these things, it feels like. It's only been like a couple weeks. And in this one is my garlic. So those are coming up real nice. And this is the potatoes I planted from that very first gardening video when I had the potatoes in the brown bag and I got the stock of my life. Man, this wind is strong. So this is the second time I have covered them. So now it's time to cover them again for the third time. And these are in that 5-gallon bucket. All right. So those are looking good. This is another bag of garlic. All right. Those are coming up nicely. Then I have another bag of potatoes. Now these potatoes came from the big box store, the seeding potatoes. So this is the first time they're coming up. So I'm going to cover them when I cover the other ones. So this is their second. This will be their first covering. Then I'll be covering them up. The potatoes over here, this will be their third covering when I do them because they were planted first, way before any of this stuff. So the onion mix, the garlic, this garlic as well, and this set of potatoes were all planted about 2 weeks ago. So that's what it's looking like out here. So it's windy, so I'm going inside. Okay, here I am at my indoor garden. This is in the garage. A lot of different changes, a lot of growth. A little closer over there. I know I have to do some up potting. My stuff should be here tomorrow so I can get the up potting done. Probably by the time y'all see another video, I would have changed this entire setup. I have planters coming in. I have all kinds of things coming in. I have to get my new shelf up. I took some onions and just stuck them in there. See what they're doing. So they're growing way up there for those. These were the curly kale pak choi that I did in the last video where I showed you all how I do the baggy method. They are getting leggy. I will be transplanting these tomorrow, if not the next day, waiting for my stuff to get here. And we'll be getting those things done. But as you can see, we have a lot of things going on. The tomatoes up there looking really, 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 really nice. That black creme right there looks really nice. Some of these I had to separate out, like this black creme I had to separate it out from the one that's over there. There's the other one that they were in the same pot. I separated them. But like I said before, I ran out of soil. And so I had to stop what I was doing. So I had to check, make sure this mic is on, I'm doing this talking. So this is how things are looking today. And today is April the 1st, 2024. So this is my, as you can see, this is my red Russian kale. It's getting pretty tall. I got to get it out of here. All these things will be taken out of these things and separated and up potted and rehoused and homed, and got a lot of work to do, but it will be done tomorrow when my soil and everything else gets here that I need. I'm making a lot of changes. I've learned a lot, and I will save the changes and the lessons I've learned so far coming up in another video. But I just kind of want to give you guys a little bit of an update, see how things are growing and going over here. All right, see you soon. Hold up. Stop the presses. Stop the video. Wait a minute. Now listen. I just received the shock of my day. Now, this is fast forward a few days. This is actually footage from April the 12th. But when I tell you I am in shock, you will see why. Gardeners, please explain if this is normal, because I've gone on YT and I'm looking at other people open this stuff and I did not see in their bags what I saw in mine. So please explain to me what in the world is going on here. Hey y'all, listen, quick commercial break. I bought some Black Kow, right? Y'all see it right there. I go to Porter stuff, and this stuff got all kinds of, why? I thought it was supposed to be like soil, like, look at this. Y'all, I have to sift this stuff. Is this normal for Black Kow? Hold on, let me get through this one. I'm holding my phone in one hand, so I hope y'all can hear me. But this, look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, it's all kinds of stuff in here. Sticks. I pulled a big piece of plastic out a few minutes ago. All right, let me pour all this stuff in this bag. Give me a second. Y'all know I'm new to this. Y'all tell me if this is normal or not for Black Kow. See, I sifted it. Still got some stuff down in there. Hold on. Run my hands through it so you can see what I'm talking about. That's after I've sifted it in this 5-gallon bucket, y'all. I'm still sifting it. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, pouring it out the bag. Y'all see ain't mine. It's coming directly out the bag. Just with one hand. Oh, covering the camera. Yep, pop my good. Y'all good. We're working today. We're working. Alright. Just poured it out the bag. Rubbing my hands through it very gently. Y'all, it's all kind of stuff in here. Something just stuck me on my finger, Lord. Alright. Try to do this with one hand. Y'all can see. I'm just sifting it out. You can see already all that stuff that's in here. Sticks. Look, it's all kind of stuff in here. Because I put this on top of when I finished planting my stuff outside that I showed you earlier. Everything but the potatoes has Black Kow on the top. And when I opened the bag, there were mushrooms in the bag. First of all, let's start with that. And I was like, what in the world? So I realized I had nothing but, when I dug my hand in there and started putting it on top of my row bags, I noticed it was a bunch of sticks. I guess you call it mulch. But y'all, it was a huge rock in it. I pulled out rocks. Y'all can see how this is going. I'm trying to hurry this along here. I'm trying to get all the softer stuff out. Y'all, look at all these sticks in here. This don't make no sense. Is this normal for Black Kow? I thought when I see other people online open their bags of Black Kow, it's more soil-like. This stuff is chunky. Did I just get a bad bag? Let me know, because this is ridiculous. This is like a bunch of filler. There might be some right there. Look, there's just hard pieces of stuff. Y'all see that? It's ridiculous. Look at that. This is after I've sifted all the softer stuff out. Look at this. This don't make no sense. Y'all tell me if this is normal or not. What in the world is that piece of plastic? Look, that's after I sifted it. Still some bigger stuff down there, but not like this. That is ridiculous. Look at this. Y'all let me know, is this normal for Black Kow? Also, should I keep this stuff that I just sifted out, or should I throw it away? Y'all let me know. Y'all know I'm new to this. Holler back at me. Look at this. I keep pulling every time I sift. Look, there's a whole rock. There's a rock right there. There's a rock right there. And all this wood. Y'all see that? Come on, man. I feel like I didn't get what I paid for. Y'all be careful buying this Black Kow. Maybe it's just where I am, but y'all let me know if this has been y'all experience or not. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this is what I was able to sift out. You guys can see that. I've been fine getting this when I bought it. Just this. But this would have been fine. This is after it's been sifted. All right. And this is all the stuff that came out. Look at all this. Plastic. Look at this. A piece of plastic. If this is supposed to be the cow's manure, that means the cow done ate a whole bottle somewhere. Look at that. What's that? Wood. A big piece of wood. I can see all of this down in there. Mushrooms. Pieces of something. I don't know what it is. But yeah, all this. I hold this bag up. I gotta miss the clean up over here. But whole bag. Not a whole bag, but you know what I mean. Quite a bit in this bag. Just one hand. Look at that. All that to this. And this is not even including the stuff I already have in my grow bags outside that I did not sift. That's when I realized, okay, I don't think this is supposed to look like this. So I came in and started sifting it, and this is what I got left out of this bag. All right, y'all, be blessed.